Joanna Hyatt is one of the leaders of the movement to more rapidly reopen local schools. She says the district is asking for more money at the wrong time.
This in the middle of numerous families facing their own financial struggles, having to rebudget, parents having to step away from work to stay home with their kids. Into that comes the district asking not just for the same level, but really an increase, the maximum of what they can ask on this levy.
Spokane Superintendent Adam Swinyard says the rate needs to go up in large part because the amount of state funding is going down. And he adds that the levy pays for programs that help families save money.
Our public education system is a collective effort to serve and support the community. And if we don't have after-school programs in place, then a family would potentially have to pay for childcare after school, and that would be a significant cost.
He also says that without the levy, 350 people would have to be laid off, which would further damage the local economy. Hyatt and Swinyard disagree on whether the district has done enough to budget within its current means.
You're not acting in good faith, and you're not really saying, we're here just for the essential of what we need. You're trying to take all you can get, despite the suffering of the community.
We eliminated librarians. We reduced custodial staffing. So the district has already made a number of cost-cutting strategies over the last couple of years to the tune of almost $20 million.
But perhaps the biggest complaint from those most fiercely opposed to this levy, they feel like the district is demanding their support without listening to their concerns about the speed of reopening. Swinyard says they're simply following public health guidelines.
I see this as the district using counselors and nurses and librarians as sort of the bargaining chip with the community and really holding our kids hostage and saying, unless you give us this levy, we can't guarantee that your kids will have the kind of education that they deserve. And that's unacceptable. If the district and the union leaders had this whole time been in good faith, really working to get our kids back in school, we'd be at a different point on this levy fight.
Do you think that this year there's any unique risk of the levy failing compared to previous years because of all the frustrations that people have and the anxieties that people have right now?
Well, I think this is certainly a unique time. There's no question. I mean, we're in a worldwide pandemic. We're in hard economic moment. And certainly it's more important than ever for us to be really clear about what this levy is.
Casey Decker, KREM 2 News.